Got a little bored today, this evening, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart this motor. It's a little flat motor here that it was actually in my outdoor Christmas light projector that somehow didn't last me but 2 or 3 weeks, and this motor started squealing. I thought there was a gearbox, an external gearbox, squealing, and couldn't find out it was a direct drive off this. And I believe there's going to be a set of gears inside of this can, because it is a 7.5 to 9 revolutions per minute, which is really slow. And when I had it plugged in, you could feel the motor inside the vibration. So I'm thinking there's a higher speed motor than that. And instead of I'm going to guess it's planetary gears. I may be wrong, but I'm going to try to get this can off of here. And we're going to see what's in here. Let's see what makes this thing tick. Get these little tabs off of here. There ain't much holding these in. See little bit tabs. Pair of needle nose pliers, which I don't have on my bench right now. We do just right, I do believe. These wire strippers, they gotta. Let's get them teeth to grab hold of that. And this motor, I've already said it's trash. I'm not going to use it. I think one of the bearings or something. Bearings are probably bushing. Cheap motor, probably got a bushing in it. Squealing. Before I paid for the whole thing, it was less than $5. I'm not out any serious money. Yeah, I know this is not the right tool for the job, but it's getting it done right now. Alright, a little fiddling and fooling with it. Finally figured it out. Got underneath this tab right here. And I'm going to lift this plate off. Yeah. A planetary gear. But just a gear reduction system in there. That's your output shaft. And this cover looks like it has just a bushing. And that's probably what was squeaking on it. Probably could have put some oil on it, but yeah, it is what it is. Take this other plate off here. And let's see what's behind it. Let's see what's behind curtain number 2. More gears, more gears, more gears. Which they seem to have a decent amount of oil on them, or grease, or whatever it is. But it's all plastic gears. It almost looks like the gear that comes off the motor back here. The one right here. The camera's gonna pick it. It's not a lot of teeth left on it. Might be stripped out. Yep. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I think that probably was just that bearing. Because I got to turn that motor and the gears are turning, so. I was right, it's a gear reduction, just not a planetary gear. I'll get my hopes up for some reason. Anyways, this whole gear set, is it on? No, it's just on little shafts. And yeah, like I said, I'm not using this motor again. I'm just seeing what makes it tick here. Now let's see if we can get behind curtain number 3. grab this tab, maybe. Yep, there we go. Spine cart number 3. And a piece of plastic. And it looks like that might be the motor itself. Let's see if I can get inside of here. There we go. What's inside of here? Looky there. Little coil winding. I wonder what I could do with that. Got 2 leads. Goes into there. You can see. It comes in. And it comes back out right there, that wire there. Same thing on that side. Coil of wire and an open hole. That'd be interesting. I might figure out what I can do with that. Anyways. And there is the big little magnet. Not a real strong magnet, but yeah, not strong at all. Yeah, when you hold this little, yeah, not strong, but I don't know. Yeah, my guess is most likely that this bushing right here didn't have enough oil or whatever. They're cheap and they should have put a decent 5-cent bearing in there, but they put a 1-penny bushing, and that's what makes it squeak. And that little part right there basically ruined that whole projector. Yeah, I'd be a little upset if I would have paid $18, $20, whatever they are, brand new, and it didn't last me 3 weeks. But anyways, so we found out what's inside the motor here. It was a gear reduction and a very basic motor. Basic motor. I almost want to plug this up and put some voltage to it and see it spin. See how fast it spins, but I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Don't have any test leads anywhere I could try right off the bat. But anyways, I like seeing what makes things tick every once in a while before I throw it away. Anyways, thanks for watching. I know it wasn't the best video, but yeah, made my even go by a little bit quicker. Appreciate y'all watching.